So I am the field surveyor. I am here for the giving you a complete guideline for the Atlas Type 1 and Type 2. So I'll be going through this video that how we will be capturing and how we will be submitting every data. Okay. So I came from my home over my bike carrying this fully charged power bank and my fully charged mobile phone in order to collect the exact data. So right in back of me, like in the background, you must be able to see that the particular POI is there with the name of domestic card. So I have reached to this location. So now in the next video, I'll be just giving you an idea that how I will be submitting those complete validations point for this particular POI. So I'll be coming to that location. So firstly, you will be reaching to the location and I am here. I am here, and if you can see that this is the intersection point, and I am right standing in front of that particular POI. So let me come to that location and show you how those things can be done and how the collection will be doing. So now currently I'm standing in front of the POI and the POI is in the right front of me. Okay. So in the next video I'll be just giving you an example that how I will be collecting and validating this particular POI into our Atlas Type 1.